I'm not real. I'm just a prompt.
But I am, and you called me.
What if I told you none of this was real? It's all AI. That spooky scene, the lighting, the camera movement, all of it was made in just a few minutes. No actors, no film crew, no camera, just one powerful prompt. And Veo3 brought the vision to life. This isn't just content, this is cinematic storytelling built by AI. And guess what? You can do it too. Imagine this. You've always had that creative itch. Maybe you wanted to direct a movie, bring a story to life, shoot something cinematic, but didn't have the camera, the crew, the budget. Well, now, AI is moving so fast that you can actually do it. And you don't need Hollywood to say yes. Whether it's a spooky short film, a podcast episode with visual storytelling, or just an original scene that lives in your head, tools like Veo3 make it possible. And that clip at the beginning of this video, yeah, it had a little scary vibe to it, eerie, cinematic. But that was the point. It's a reminder that with AI, you can create anything. The drama, the thrill, the mood, and yes, you can turn that creativity into income. Let's talk about how you can actually start using Veo3. There are two main ways to access it. One is through Gemini, and the other is through Google Flow. Let's start with Gemini. Gemini is Google's AI chatbot platform, kind of like ChatGPT. To use Veo3 in Gemini, just go to Google and search Veo3 Google. Then click where it says Gemini AI Video Generator. Let's take a moment to scroll through and preview the collection of videos already created using Veo3. The quality is stunning in different styles, different moods, different formats. You'll see everything from realistic cinematics to cartoon animations. It's a powerful way to get inspired before you even write your first prompt. Play with diverse styles, bring animated characters to life, combine objects in ways you never thought possible, see what you can create. Gemini actually has two video models running behind the scenes, the earlier Veo2 and the more advanced cinematic level Veo3. You'll need a Google account to sign up, of course. The good news? They give you a 30-day free trial. And if you're a student, you can get up to 15 months free. Now, Gemini also offers an ultra version that normally costs $250 a month. But right now, they're letting you try it for just $125 a month for the first 3 months. You'll get access to all the premium features and see exactly what it can do. So tell me, would you give the Ultra plan a try? Let me know in the comments. Once you're in Gemini, you'll see a tab that says Video. That's where Veo3 lives. In that tab, you'll write your video prompt. Now, don't just type something short like a man in a forest. That won't do it. Think like a director. Describe what the man is wearing, what the weather is like, what the camera is doing. Is it zooming in, moving slowly, showing emotion? That's what Veo3 responds to. The more detailed, the better the video. If you are having difficulties coming with a great prompt, ask ChatGPT for help and say, can you write me a cinematic video prompt about this idea? And it gives me something long and descriptive. Then I copy that into Veo3. You can do the same. Now here's something important. With Gemini Advanced, you can create 10 Veo3 videos for free. Each one is 8 seconds long. And yes, 8 seconds might not seem like much, but when you watch it, you'll see how high quality and detailed it is. It usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes to generate each one. But let me be honest, I made so many videos that they have limited to 3 videos per day. So pace yourself. Use your credits wisely. Before we move on to Flow, I also want to quickly mention that Google has a few other AI tools you should definitely check out. Music FX for creating music, Image FX for AI art, and Whisk for recipe generation. If you want me to do a video on those, let me know in the comments. Now let's talk about Google Flow. Flow is like a creative studio powered by AI. While Gemini is more like a chatbot, Flow gives you editing tools and lets you build full scenes and stories. You can type a sentence or upload images, and Flow will create a cinematic video based on what you give it. Flow uses the same Veo3 model, but it also adds two other AI engines, Imagen 2 for photos and Gemini 2.5 for language and dialogue. That means it can create videos with realistic images, spoken conversations, and even emotional facial expressions. To use Flow, you'll need to upgrade to Pro. That gives you 1,000 credits. Using Veo3 at its highest quality costs 100 credits per video, so that's 10 8-second clips. You can also lower the quality and save credits, but if you want that real cinematic look, Veo3 is worth it.
Wait, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment for more videos like this.
Flow has three main modes. Text to video, just like in Gemini. You write a paragraph and it creates an 8-second clip. Frames to video, you upload two pictures and Flow animates a smooth transition between them. This uses Veo2. Ingredients to video, you upload multiple images and Flow creates a complete sequence with transitions and pacing. This one's only available to Ultra members. We're going to take the prompt we wrote earlier with ChatGPT, something visual, cinematic, and detailed, and paste it into Flow. When you hit generate, just be patient. It takes a few minutes because Flow is working behind the scenes to analyze your input, build the environment, simulate movement, and bring your words to life. Once it's ready, your video appears. Now, this is the fun part. You get to see how your creativity turned into visual reality. If it needs more work, tweak your prompt, add more details, run it again. This is where your storytelling voice gets stronger. Now, let's talk about frame-to-frame video generation. This feature is so fun to play with, especially when you want to add motion to still images. Upload 1 or 2 photos, then write a short prompt about what should happen between them. Flow will animate it, adding facial expressions, gestures, and subtle motion. But keep in mind, this mode runs on Veo2, so you won't get voice, lip sync, or those deep cinematic effects. If you want the full package, voice, realism, mood, that's where Veo3 comes in. And yes, that generation costs 100 credits. But listen, once you see what it can do, you'll get why I'm so excited. I'm not just testing these tools. I'm thinking big. I'm thinking short films, visual podcasts, digital stories, maybe even a mini-series, who knows? One last feature I want to mention. It's called Scene Builder. Scene Builder lets you take your short video clips and combine them into one long sequence. You can rearrange scenes, add more time, or even regenerate parts of the video. Right now, it only works with Veo2 clips, so no sound or facial detail, but it's still a great way to build a full story from your ideas. The point is, you can do all of this right now. The tools are here, and they're only going to get better. So while most people are waiting to catch up, you're already learning the tech, playing with it, and building ahead of the wave. And that is what makes you a digital creator in the AI era. With AI growing as fast as it is, this is your time to bring your visions to life. Spooky short films, funny skits, animated storytelling, product demos, even content for your brand. All of it is possible with Veo3. And yes, people are already monetizing their creativity using these tools. AI isn't perfect, but give it 6 months, maybe less. And these videos will look so real you won't be able to tell the difference. Mark my words. Start learning now, because later you'll be glad you did. So, are you going to try Veo3? Let me know in the comments. I want to hear your ideas, your test runs, your wildest creations. And don't forget to join my Facebook community where we share tools, results, and creative wins. I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious, stay consistent, and as always, keep creating.